Yeah, I was not.
The Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Is your business looking for local and national help?
Bro.
If you have more than 50...
Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Oh, that's lovely. I'm having issues with my 268 again. That's great. And as per usual, I'm here along with... Oh no, what is he doing?
I am Adventures of Savage, or Savage 2413, and a certain somebody over here is going to be my nightmare tonight. All because I had to do, second, if this will cooperate with me, all because I had to deal with a lovely sound called... while starting it up.
Yes. Yeah, that was pretty funny to see, not gonna lie. But, yeah, usual KDKA stuff tonight. Nothing new out of the ordinary. Yeah, all that stuff. Unfortunately, no Sage relays, which kind of sucks. But, yeah, but besides that, we have a big severe weather night happening in a couple hours, which is going to be fun. Not looking forward to that. And,
Night risks, man. Night risks.
Yep. The first one in, like, a long time that we've had. First night risk in a long time. And, yeah, so, yeah, guys, so that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Helps me out a lot. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. I caught that on video. I caught that on video, by the way. Yep, I caught that on video. Yep. Yeah. Oh my gosh.